children, I have an announcement and I'm super excited. I'm super excited, guys. I just made a big purchase, a big girl purchase this year, and it's something I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm super excited. That's how best I can describe the feeling right now, because this will be a really big game changer in my office setup or work from home session. So stay tuned, watch the video to the very end so that you get to see everything. I bought an office chair that will be such a huge game changer for me, because in this tiny space of mine, which I've stayed in for the past 1 year, I've only had one stool. I'll show that to you. I'll show you my stool. But right now, I have an office chair. And this will also help in my, how should I put it? My back, because normally I have these back pains while I'm sitting down and sewing at the machine. And I just hope this chair will solve at least, if not all, most of my back problems, right? Because it's an ergonomic office chair which will help with the back pains. It will kind of help me, it will kind of assist me like to get the right posture while sewing and all of that stuff. Guys, I'm super excited. I just can't explain this, but let's go ahead, let's start unboxing it. I bought it like a week ago and I've ghosted my house with it inside here, so it has been here all alone. So yeah, let's go ahead and just unbox it right now. So this right here is the chair that I'm going to be unboxing right now. When I went to buy it, it was already, they already put the, oh, I'm super happy for this. So as I was saying, when I went to buy it, I told them to just put in the wheels already, because I didn't want to have a lot of hassle. I didn't want to go through a lot of hassle while doing this. So there it is. Whew. So it has this is the backrest to be put right over here, and it can be it's bendable. You can bend it and it can also increase in height. I'll fix that. So this is the leg, but they've already fixed the wheels in here, as I said earlier, which to me, I just love it. It will ease my workload. And I love that I got these this paper bag here that's popping. Oops, what have I done? I think I need a scissor so that my work can be faster. This will help. The scissors are super blunt. This scissor is so blunt. Let me just do this to save on time. And there we have it. These I'll just be popping. I'll just be doing like this. So satisfying. And my sister loves this. Look at that. That's so satisfying to do. Okay. Back to the project. I don't know why have I removed this. It's there. This goes in here. I think that way. Then how should it be? Let me see. I think this goes in here. I think that's it, isn't it? Let me try carrying it if it will come out. Oops. I haven't fixed it well. How is it supposed to be fixed now? I don't understand. Let's see. Oh, it's fixed. Oops, it's not fixed yet. I don't know how to do this. This is proving to be somewhat a very tiresome task, and I don't know what to do. Or maybe should I check on the internet? Maybe I should check on the internet how to fix it, because I'm not sure how this is supposed to be fixed. How am I supposed to fit these? Finally, I've gotten how to do it finally. Whew. Finally, I've gotten how to do it, but this can't fix itself down there. It's still coming out. But it's okay. I think I've seen how to do it. So I have this right now. This is what I have at the moment. Let me fix the headrest quickly. I'll just put it over here. Like that. I'll put it over here. Then there's this thing that is used to lock right here, which I'll just use to lock it. Like that. So this here is what you can use to adjust the height. You can adjust it going down a little bit and coming up as you wish. So I'll put it to the highest level, then I'll just tighten it up. And for the very first time, I'll just relax on my chair. It's super comfortable. This chair is so comfortable. I love the fact that I can adjust this how I want it. Maybe if I want it down, if I want it up like this, I can just adjust it, then just do my things. It can help me move around. I can swing as much as I want on my chair. It's super comfortable. Let me see if I can adjust the height. It comes up, then let me take it down. I'm not sure why. Yeah, when I sit on it, it's going down. Then when I stand up, it's coming up. Wow, this is super cute. Look at that. This is super cute. This is so cute. I'm in love. I'm just in love. Whew. Finally, I can rest and just sing. Wow. What do you think about this? Isn't this perfect? Look at that structure. Isn't this perfect? This is so cool. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed doing this with me as much as I enjoyed this. I'm so in love with my chair, as you can see right now, and I'm super in love. I forgot to show you the stool that I used to have in my place. Let me show that to you right now, real quick. So this here is what I've been using for the past 1 year. This has been the only chair and the only stool in my space. I live in a bedsitter, so it's kind of small space. This has been the only stool that I've had. So to come from that stool to this, to me it's such an improvement and it's such an upgrade, and I just love this. I know you can sense the excitement. You can sense the excitement, right? I'm just in love. I'll be sitting here meditating. I'll be sitting here just meditating, and mostly at my workstation where I saw. But this is such an upgrade, guys. This is such an upgrade for me. I really love the chair because it's super comfortable, and yeah, it's just so comfortable to sit on. I'm just in love. Then you position your the back. My back is positioned rightly, just as it should be, right over there. It's so relaxing. I can even sleep on this chair. I can even sleep on this chair. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this video. Let me enjoy my chair. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, ever.